Hey Dan, this is Rob. This is a quick little sketch that I did. Just had the idea of 10,000 astronauts in the state of Ohio. We take our at risk kids, kids that have high ACE scores, and we incentivize them through an astronaut program. We use the training that you would get as an astronaut to redirect our students so that they can be rescued from this toxic stress that is killing them. It is very important on a state level to understand that this particular problem that we're having with toxic stress is going to hit our tax base within the near future. So this list that you're going to see here in the second of you'll see a list here of the effects. Suicide 15%, inability to solve problems, inability to have impulse control, life expectancy reduced by 20 years, disruption of almost all systems. Man, this is crazy. All right, so the idea is that we build a system by which kids learn and receive patches. Here's the H2O patch, the simplest one for behavior modification. O2 up and down is breathing strategy. That's Dan. 145, that's the micronutrient patch. And then we have the mentoring. One times one is two. We have a mentoring situation where the students will mentor other students through the process. This process will also include include a worldview section that will allow our students to have a better understanding when they meet their international peers in the space station. What is the International Space Station? Here we have a shipping container. We're going to turn it sideways. Here is the shipping container. On the top of the shipping container, we're going to put a hoop house. Can be high cost or low cost. We have a solar panel. We just got one sticking out the back. This is the Oberst grow chamber. It can produce 100 pounds of high level micronutrient food in 1 week on $100. The other part over there is science and food prep. We've got a living quarters, exercise. You're going to mimic all the activities of the astronaut. And then here we have Dan, the yoga man, working with biofeedback. There are some opportunities to incorporate the technology of biofeedback, and so this is a really good situation to teach biofeedback and to kids to be able to lower their